Okay, YouTube, I'm going to do an unboxing and a first glance review and my opinion of Kastking megatron spinning reel. This is a 6,000 size, the biggest one that they make. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. We have the reel inside a plastic bag. Okay, the first impression is it is very badass looking, very high-tech looking. A lot of shine, lots of shine. We got some chrome going on. Okay, I gotta get this handle screwed in right. It feels solid. Without really getting too into it. Here it is. Better look at it. Looks very nice. Very techy. Got a switch to put the anti-reverse on or leave it off. The spool has the rubber band so you can put braid right on without having to put anything else on it. A nice heavy bail. Switches off nice. The spool it has cutouts in it. I don't know if you can see this, but there's cutouts in the bottom and there's cutouts in the top. You can see right through it. I don't know if that's going to be good or bad. Nice and smooth. Very smooth action. One thing I can't help but notice, for salt water, it feels like it's going to be just enough. Maybe put some 15, 20 pound test on a medium action, maybe 8 or 9 footer. Fish the breakers, do some jetty fishing. I think it would work very well. This Kastking megatron spinning reel boasts a rigid aluminum frame, 7+1 double shielded stainless ball bearings, which is good. That means water is not going to get down inside them and get them ruined. 30+ pounds of triple disc carbon fiber drag, which you find that in more top end reels, which is a good thing. Aerospace aluminum spool and handle, bionic engineered, that is robot inspired. Pro level quality gears, main drive, zinc alloy, pinion gear, machined solid brass. So this is all on stuff you find on higher end reels. It has a 4 to 5.1 ratio. So this sounds like a good deal for $45 on Amazon. You're getting some of the things you find in a much higher priced reel. Compared to size. Oh, also inside the box, if you share your opinion, you get some free braid. You just go on the computer, go onto this site, give them your opinion, and they'll send you some free braid. Free. Free is for me. Also inside the box, I don't see any extra washers. I would hope to see that, but I don't see any. A breakdown of course, how the rod goes together, all the little parts, if you have to order them. Stickers, so you could tell what's on the reel if you so feel like you should need to do that, if you're going to forget. And a pack of instructions and how everything works, all in the box. I wanted to do a little size comparison because even though on a video, even holding it in your hand, you can't really tell just how big it is. So I got my another reel here, which is a Penn Spinfisher 8500. Now, compared to that, this is a monster, of course, but I just wanted to show you in comparison how much of a difference we're talking. It's quite a difference. But I think this is going to make fishing for smaller fish. Of course, I wouldn't want to reel a 30-pound striper in with this, but it'll make fighting smaller fish a lot of fun, I think. And like I said, it looks badass and it feels great. So there it is, my review and first impression of the Kastking Megatron 6000 reel. And hopefully in a couple weeks I'll be down there surf fishing off the Jersey Shore, and I'll have some videos to post of me actually catching fish with this bad boy and a couple of my other rods and reels. All right, I'm out. That's Mike, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.